I am interacting both with the investors and the government. And the overall Japanese policy has been to increase its level of investment in India. And we already have over 1,000 Japanese companies which have invested in India. Prime Minister Abe seeks to double it. And therefore, I would be meeting individually, also collectively, a large number of investors, also the key persons in the Japanese government. And the whole idea is to take the India story forward with them.
Right. Also, sir, at this point of time when, there is a lot of, Japan is leaps and bounds ahead of India in terms of infrastructure. And at a time when the government is looking at NIIF, the National Investment and Infrastructure Funds, there are a whole host of meetings also that are lined up with various pension funds. How do you see Japan aiding the India infrastructure growth story?
Well, I think there are people who want to participate in the infrastructure. For instance, the SoftBank meeting we've just had, they are looking for one of the biggest investments in solar power already. They've made considerable headway. They've identified the locations, and it will probably be one of the largest investments in those areas. And I think similarly, there are other Japanese investors. We are open to the idea of having them fund individual projects. We are open to the idea of their joining the India Infrastructure Fund, and because this Indian flexibility provides them with more than one opportunity.
So have they also identified anything so far, any projects that the Japanese investors
Many of them have. For instance, the SoftBank itself in Andhra Pradesh has identified the solar power project. And there are many others who've identified. They are also talking and looking beyond solar power now. Amongst the discussions we've had.
So, you're also supposed to meet Osamu Suzuki, and at this point of time when there's a lot of policy uncertainty in India regarding the auto space, there is a ban on diesel car in 2 states, in Delhi as well as Kerala. Apart from that,
I think the Indian auto sector is extremely comfortably placed. These are all transient things which happen. And I don't think with the kind of large market that Suzuki has, it's in any way likely to be adversely impacted.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.